Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use some random wiring blocks, like these with like some of the yellow ones. Let's go. So, the one with like the little arrow, it's called the D-Latch. So you can use any of these buttons, it doesn't really matter. Okay, remember you can only do it from the gray part. So look. Oh wait. There's a screen. And a computer. Why does that not work? Okay. So look. The screen won't turn on when you press the button. Because the D-Latch needs two signals on two of the wiring things, like this, and they both have to come off the button. And then look, now it works. Yeah, so yeah, you just have to have two signals on the D-Latch for it to work. That's how people like make it so you have to do two keys to turn on the teleporter and only ups. Okay, the next one will be the toggle. Then that'll be the last one. I'm gonna do two. So, this is the toggle. It will toggle something on. I'll show you. So it has to have a signal for one of the gray things. And then up. No, it doesn't matter actually what way. I just said up for no reason. So use that. But look, it stays on. That's what the toggle does. The same thing as the wires. The same kind of thing. Just a bigger block. And it toggles something on. It doesn't just turn on for a sec. Look, I'll show. So look, it only turns on just for a second. But then if you do the toggle block, does that one too. And that is how you use both of those blocks.